barefoot world. Today, me and my hubby decided to go picnicking. But of course, it rained on us, but that didn't stop us. You know, we just got under the trees and listened to some music and did a little slow dance because that's what we do. On the real though, you know, it's 22 years of marriage. This is 23, baby. One or the other. 25 years of marriage. Of being together.
Fetty.
That's over half of my life, and I wouldn't change it. The good, the bad, the ugly. You know, we decided we're gonna hang in there. He actually took God in order for me to endure, but it took also a man that loved me enough to put up with my stuff as well. See, I mean, I ain't been out there. I mean, I'm not pointing the finger. We learned to stay together. We're now beginning to walk together on one accord. This is like, I can't even explain what this feel like, you know. Me walking this walk with Christ for 20-something years, and now he decided that he wants to surrender his life with Christ. And this right here, and it's nothing that I've done. I just try to walk the walk that I know to walk. You know what I'm saying? And left everything else up alone. You know, it was about faith, patience and endurance, but in the end, we are equally yoked once again. We was equally yoked when we got married, but we were both sinners. we was living a life, but God chose to save me first, and then, you know, in the midst of teaching me how to be a godly wife, he messed around and snatched my husband's heart too. So I'm truly blessed. I'm happy. No, I can't even say I'm happy. I am filled with joy. I am filled with joy because I love this man so much. And God knew the love that I had for him and the love that he had for me. He knew in order for us to be able to walk in peace, had to become a three-chord. Me, him, and the Lord. And bam, there you go. So ladies, if you're waiting on your boy ass, maybe you already have him. You just got to wait till God to change. Okay? That's what he did for my boy. My rundown. My baby.
Nigga, raise your hand up!
I love it. I love it. I love it. Of course, it's going to give God all the glory. I can't get no credit for it. It's God and only God. So we are truly blessed. And I just wanted to just put this out there that, you know, what he decided to do was what he decided to do. I just walked my walk and trusted God and whatever God decided to do. I just decided whether he died sinner, I'm going to be with him until he busts hell wide open. So praise God. Praise God.
It like that. It like that. It like that. Oh, nigga Don said it. Okay.
He's walking this walk again now. It is what it is. It's all about endurance. It's all about faith. It's all about patience. Just in case you don't know what patience is, it's waiting with the right attitude. All right. Gotta go. Peace.
Look at her. Look at her. Now y'all look at this right here. Look at this. Look at this. Now, y'all need to look at this right here. Look. They're going to pick that basket. They're going to pick that basket right there.
Why is he still filming? Did we talk about the picnic?
Yeah, they're going to pick that basket. But yeah, look at that. Look at what I look at.
The ground is wet now, so we're going to go home and finish this.
And we got these things to finish now. But yeah, look at the picnic basket. Yeah, okay, it's all good. Y'all be good. One love to all y'all who see this. And you just hearing my voice, but y'all know me.
Peace, love, and happiness.
Goodbye.
Stop.
Goodbye.
Stop.
All right, stop. I don't know how to stop.